Today we have a Citrix X1 mouse. And we'll be taking this apart and putting it back together, hopefully. And you need a T6 Torx screwdriver to get the screw open. And I have a feeling that we have some screws here because this is not coming out nicely. So we'll heat up the pads, and as always, the pads are expendable. You might get them out nicely, you might not. So we'll heat them up to loosen the glue, and then we'll try to take them off nicely. And we have Phillips screws. There we go. And that's disassembled. Can we get the topmost part off? Yes. There's latches here, and these probably latch too. So let's push the buttons out if we can. They're not coming out, so we will unlatch these. And there's there we go. And it seems that this has been plastic welded in place, so we won't be getting that out. There we go. And to reassemble, we put this piece back in. Then we place the button cover and the switch cover. Then we place the electronics, making sure that the battery contacts go into the right place. There we go. And then we'll place this back in. And then we'll put in the front screws. And this is a good example of when you're putting things back together or pulling them apart, you tend to break the latches if you're not careful. Then we have the Torx bit. finally to cover. There we go. That has been the Citrix X1.